So we are in Parma, Ohio, and this is definitely one of the most fun projects that I've done in a while. This is vintage meets new. And if you're an investor that's looking for your next short-term rental, this may be the one for you. Let's go take a look. And for all of you investors, if you happen to buy a 2-bedroom like this was, check out the design we did on this closet to now count it as a 3rd bedroom. I just love the way it turned out. So throughout the home, you're gonna see all new flooring. The thing that we couldn't quite decide on is this woodwork was in great shape. So instead of painting it, we're gonna leave that up to you. And I love this vintage bathroom. Check it out. Now, you can certainly move into this home and make it your own, and I absolutely love this feature, but wouldn't this make an excellent Airbnb with your own private bar? I love this area. So what I love about this property is this gorgeous backyard, but the nice thing is this property sits on less than 1/4 of an acre. So you don't have to take care of any of this, you just enjoy it. So if you're looking for your next Parma house, this may be the one for you to either move right in or start collecting your cash on rent.